Next.
So you're gonna go into max loads, Kicell SKU import.
Kicell?
Yep, SKU import.
I don't see that one.
It's
This
just
one?
yeah.
Okay.
And it's got to be .csv.
.csv like that?
Mm-hmm.
So click on that one.
Okay. So now you have the list of all the SKUs, which are part numbers or part descriptions, because that's all we use in MaxLoad, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I open this?
Yep. So you're going to extend it out. Okay. And you're going to want to add a new one. Okay. So you're going to add a new part.
Into this thing here?
Yep. So you're going to go down to the bottom. Okay, and if it's a sheet, it's 3, the number 3. If it's a roll, it's a 6. So that's how MaxLoad determines whether to state that it's a sheet or a roll. Okay, that's how it finds the unit of measure. Okay, so now you're these are. So where's the order? Did I give you the order?
Mm-mm.
Oh, no. Okay. Here's the order. So the first line is T20 1 3/8 73 by 145
This
natural.
It doesn't look like that.
Yeah. Well, it is.
Okay.
So it's a sheet.
So it's gonna be a 3.
Yep. And it's gonna be T dash.
Hold on, let me put it on the tabs. T dash
20 1 dash 3/8 73 by 145.
It's black.
Natural.
Oh, I forgot I have my thing.
Okay. So after that, you need to figure out the length. Okay, the length, width, and height.
Okay.
So if you look at the one above that, it says 108 inches in length, right? But we said the length would be 110.
Because you gave it the 2.
We give it 2 inches. So you're going to type in 2 inches plus the 145. So what is that?
147.
147. Okay. The width always remains the same.
So 73.
73. Remember, we always speak in length, width,
and
height.
Okay.
Okay. So your thickness, which is your height, is 1 3/8. So you're going to want to add 1 3/8 plus 4%, because you want to give that extra per sheet just in case production produces more. You know, like if their thickness is plus or minus 10%, right? And they produce a little bit more of a thickness, you want to make sure it's still going to fit in the truck. Okay. So you're going to want to do 1. So you're gonna, on the calculator.
Where's your calculator? Oh, here. You're going to want me to do what? Put 1 3/8?
Yeah. So actually, since your 3/8, your 1 is not going to change, right?
Okay.
So it's going to be the 3/8. So you would do 3/8.
Oh, just where's the slide?
Well, 3/8 is 0.375. So we got to convert that.
0.3875.
No, 0.375.
Oh, 0.375.
Plus 4%.
Just put in the 4 and then
Percent.
and this percent here.
Yep. Is 0.39.
You round it off to 0.40 or anything, or you don't round
No.
it?
So you just leave it as 1, because you can't forget the 1. 0.39. And that is your plus 4%.
We're gonna do the length. I mean, sorry, the height is gonna be times 4%.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay? All right, so now you have your length, your width, and your thickness. Now you need to figure out how much it weighs.
Okay.
Okay, so to get that information, I have to go to another spreadsheet. So on my desktop, on to the
side?
right, which I
And
will
you're gonna
send you
send
as
me
well.
that.
Yep. You're gonna go to the right, you're gonna go to roll and weight sheet calculator.
Where do you have that?
Over there in the
Oh, this way.
Yeah.
I was looking at
Go
those
down, up, right there. Okay. Now this gives you sheets and it gives you rolls. So right now we're working on the sheets. Okay, so you're gonna type in
Right here.
almost the exact same information, but no 4%. So you're just gonna do the sheet width, which is
The 1.39.
no width.
Oh, the width. Okay. Stays the same. Okay, that's gonna be the 73.
Yep.
And then the length.
The length.
Is
No add-on, just the standard.
147.
No, 145.
Oh,
You don't add the extra.
The regular. Okay. And then the thickness is gonna stay the 1 3/8.
Yep. So you got to convert 3/8, which is 0.375.
Oh, put it on there like that.
Yep. So it's got to be 1.
Point.
Don't forget the
Oh
1.
yeah.
1.375. And the density.
Will be the. Was that the? What is it?
The 2 pound. So it's
Oh, so it is
220.
2.
Yep.
So do I have to write in T20 or just put
You
2?
just put 2.
Okay.
So remember, poundage is always the first digits. So it's always T60, T20,
Oh, okay.
T40, TE30. Even if it says TE30, it's still 3 pounds.
30 pound.
Okay.
So the sheet weight's gonna be.
So it says it's going to weigh 16.8453 pounds. Okay. So open up the spreadsheet.
This.
Yeah. Okay. If it's a sheet, it says add 2 pounds.
All right.
Down.
Oh,
Right there. If
sheet.
it's a roll, you're going to add 10 pounds to the weight. So you want to round it up. So a sheet weighs saying almost 17 pounds. So you're going to say
So
it weighs
19?
19 pounds.
Okay.
Okay. So now, if it's, you want to copy the same thing that I've already put in. So if it's a sheet, you want to copy the sheet section where it says no, yes, no. You want to find the one that matches it. So it's a sheet, so you can copy the one that's right above it.
So this one.
Mm-hmm.
The whole, only the yes and the no's?
The no all the way down to the 500.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay, and then that's it for this part. So let's save it.
You want to just save or save as?
Just save.
Okay.
Okay, now you're gonna move this screen to that screen over there.
This one over here?
Yeah. Okay, now you're gonna open up the Kycel SKU import.
It's the one with the CVS, like you said, right? SCV?
No, down.
This
You were
one?
just on the CSV.
Oh, okay. So now it's gonna be the.
Yes, that one.
Why is it nothing? There it was.
Okay. I'll move that one over here. All right, now we're gonna do the same thing, okay? But this one's gonna be a little different because it's gonna give you the bundle count and the height and the information that you're gonna need to input in MaxLoad.
Never gonna run out, you guys.
Oh, dang.
What is
Dang,
it?
that was fast.
I know, yeah. That's good, yeah.
Okay, so move your screen, the scroll to the left,
Oh,
down at the bottom. Nope. Yep.
get to my left. Okay.
Okay. Now you're gonna add the part number in or part description in this
Hold on.
spreadsheet. Go down to the bottom.
Mhm. So click on this and copy it.
Yep. And you're gonna copy the same thing. Oh, you're fine. Are you recording? Yeah, I'm just recording.
All the way
Say
to the
hi, Jack.
500. You put it in there. Yay! What a fun video. It's just for me anyway. My
This
purposes.
is for Lily.
Oh, then they're gonna then be scared.
What are you gonna do with those little
Yes.
Ah. Okay. So now you copied the exact same
Mhm.
thing, right? So
Mhm.
scroll to the right. Okay. And you're gonna take the 105.6, that
Mhm.
row
Mhm.
all the way across, drag it all the way across,
Mhm.
and then you're gonna
Copy and paste.
no, not copy, you're gonna drag and drop. So the right hand corner where it has that little,
Right here.
go up a little bit, right down, that little square, the little square at the right hand
here?
corner. Yep. Drag it down, right there. Okay, so what it did is it pulled the formula to now the next row. So now it's giving you a new formula,
Mm.
okay, a new count. Okay, so with this information, you have to figure out how to get the number to be around 4.0 inches in trailer. Okay, so what that means is this here, the 4 point, all these, that's the height of the trailer that you don't want to surpass. So when they're loading it, they don't want to go higher than leaving 4 inches on the top because then it would hit the ceiling of
Right.
the trailer, right?
Mm-hmm.
So now you got to figure out what number is going to get you to 4 inches, not exceeding that 4 inches of the trailer.
Okay.
Okay? So you got to take this number.
The 158.
So if you go down to this number,
This one here.
yep, it's saying that you're negative 0.158 your height.
Okay.
Okay? So we got to get it down to 4.0 as closest as possible. It doesn't have to be, it's never going to come out really that easy.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay? So if
So how do you do that?
So let's type in,
On here.
no, on there. So you're gonna type in, because it's 2 inches, it's thick.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you gotta go lower. So let's try 75.
Just type in 75.
Uh-huh. You have to like take a guess
Okay.
and then hit tab. Okay, see, I got to
I need to go
5.75.
down more.
Yep, so now we need to go try 73. Okay, so now you need to go up because it went higher. So let's try 76.
Okay. Oops.
4.36. Okay, that's pretty close because if you go to 77, it's gonna be
go higher.
like 3 point something.
Oh,
Okay, so let's just stick with that. So we'll leave it at 76. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay, so now you're gonna want to save it because we did our job. Now we know that we at least have 4 inches of space between our freight and the ceiling of the trailer. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we're gonna get out of there. Oh, wait a minute. Actually, I'm sorry. Minimize it. Okay, now you can close out that one.
This one?
Because we've already transferred the information from there to the new one. And now you're gonna go to bundle, bundle.csv.
Yeah, I'll hold off and then I'll ask Tanya.
Say hi, Misty.
She sounds like a great pretender. Great pretender. Look at her. Okay, bring this over here.
Yeah. Can you call Richard? He's calling me. I don't want to stop the video.
Oh, he does. He's reading our video right now
Please leave your message for 9.
because he's calling me right now.
Mhm.
Let me try again.
Please leave your message for 9-5.
He's probably giving you a message, huh? Diana's right here.
Hey, Richard.
Hey Dad, real quick, so I'm trying to load this American Excelsior truck. I have a layout for this exact truck, but the quantities aren't really exact. What I have on the floor is a little bit more than what's on the layout. Is that okay?
How much more?
Like for instance, on the for the TSSM, quarter inch 54 red. It's getting one stack. It's only showing one stack at 380. I have one stack at 365 and a couple bags at 15 a piece and a 28. I believe one bag. So it's gonna be more than that. Just one stack. I'm just wondering if it's all going in the same truck, correct?
It is. It's all going in the same truck. That's fine as long as the sheets are flat and they don't get damaged.
Okay.
Okay?
Got it.
Okay. Thank
Got
you.
it. Thank you.
Okay. So now you opened up bundles. Okay. Now you're going to put what the information that we just got on the ceiling, on how much space, the gap, right?
Mm-hmm.
You're going to input that in this spreadsheet.
All
Okay.
the way
So
to
go
the
down
bottom?
to the bottom, extend your column A so you can see the description. Okay. And you're going to type in that part number again. You have your other one open so you can copy and paste it if you want. You minimized it.
This one?
You could put that one to the other screen.
This one?
Mm-hmm. Close that one. You already got the weight.
Don't say, right? Is that
No,
what you...
don't say. The other one?
This one?
Nope, the
This
one in
one.
the yellow. Yep. Move that one to the other screen. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Maximize it. Okay, move it over to the left.
So
Okay,
just
copy it.
this?
You're
All
just
the way
copying the
down?
description. Just the description.
Oh. I don't need the 3.
Just the description.
Okay.
Okay. Now you're gonna copy the information that's on the line before what you just entered. You're gonna copy all that. So from 2 all the way down to the end of the row, you're gonna copy it.
From here?
Yep. And you could do the same thing like how I showed you, where you take the little right hand,
All the way towards his slip sheet?
keep going all the way down.
Jeez. Oh, shoot. Oh, man.
Nope, just from the 2.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, hit that right corner and drag and drop. Okay, so now I copied all that information. So the only thing you need to change here is you need to input what the height was and on that other spreadsheet. So if you go to the right on this spreadsheet, on the one that was highlighted in yellow, where I told you got to get to 4.0, it's already open. Scroll to the right. Okay, it's saying you need a bundle count height of 76 and a bundle count height width of 25. So what it's saying is height and then width. So you know when you put those sheets on the sides, it's saying that you can fit 25 on the side in bags.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so if you scroll up to the top on this one,
This one here?
yep. Oh, it's not gonna give you your tab. I'm sorry, go down.
Mm-hmm.
So basically the way to know this one is the highest quantity goes on the right hand side. So see where it says 192?
Mm-hmm.
That's where your highest quantity is gonna go that you got from this spreadsheet. Okay.
From this one here.
Yep. So go down. You're only looking at the highlighted ones, so
Oh,
yellows. Okay. Those are the only two numbers that matter.
Okay.
So any part of this other number jumbo, it's
Yeah.
all just formula. That doesn't matter. So you're gonna take the bundle count, which is the height, which is the
76?
highest number, is 76, and you're gonna input that
Right here.
in the 192 area. Yep. Okay, and you're gonna take the lowest one, which is 25, that's highlighted in yellow, and then you're gonna put that in the 20 area.
Right there.
Yep. So it's basically your width, and then how many other sheets. So you know when we do bundle 3?
Oh, yeah, bundle 2 and 3?
Yeah, so bundle 3 is the middle one. Bundle 2 is the first one.
Okay.
So 25 is fine. If you want to ever change it to like 10 or 15 or 20, and you know like, oh yeah, I can do another bundle of 3 to make it easier for you,
Yeah.
then you can always change that
Change
quantity.
that. Okay.
So I always leave it
25. for now.
25, or I always leave it at the same number that I do for the width,
Okay.
which is 25. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so go ahead and click save. Okay, now we saved it. Okay, so exit out. Exit out of the other one. It's already saved, right? Yep. Okay. Now go, I'm just for your own reference, I'm going to show you. So go to Kicell bundle XLXX.
Right here?
Up,
Oh, the bundle.
Up, yep. Okay, go up to the top. Okay, this is where I was talking about. See how the yellows are? So now this one gives you an idea of what the width and the height, what those rows really represented.
Oh, okay.
Because you couldn't put that information in the other formula, in the other report, because that's a formula-based Excel spreadsheet. Okay? So if you ever if you forget, like, hey, I need to figure out which column is what, this will tell you. This is the bundle one, and this is the width one.
I see.
Okay?
This is it right here.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Okay?
So get out of this?
Yep, so exit out. Now you're gonna go into max load and you're gonna import the information.
Right here? Or
Nope,
the one on your...
exit out on the,
here.
yeah,
Where's your max load at?
to the left.
But does it matter which one you have here?
Yeah, just pick that one. Okay, and you're gonna go to the top and you're gonna go to tools and you're gonna go to import and you're gonna do import SKU. Okay, and then you're gonna go to the left and go to desktop. You're gonna try to find that exact same spreadsheet that we were just in. So scroll up, go to my desktop, go to max load, the folder. So it'll be on the top. Go up. Yep. Okay, now we're importing the SKU. The only ones you can import are the .csv. Okay, you can't import XLSX.
Okay, because that's Excel sheet.
Yes, no, it's just a different type of form.
Okay.
You can only do CSV. Okay, so we're looking for the import of the SKU. So it would be that one. Okay, you're gonna replace all.
Yep. Oh, replace.
Yep. And then you're gonna do it again. You're gonna go to tools. Now we're gonna do the bundle count. Tools, import, and you're gonna go to import generic. That's for the bundles. Okay, so you're gonna go to the top, scroll to the top. Nope. Scroll, yep. Desktop, max load. And now you're looking for bundle. So Kicell bundle.csv. Replace all.
What about this here? Don't worry
About that. Replace all. Good. Now you're gonna pretend you're gonna make one because you always want to double check your work. So you're gonna go to new and you're gonna type in that item, which was T20 2-inch.
Oh, it's 2 inch.
I'm sorry, 1 3/8.
See?
The
I
other
had
one,
it was...
the other one is 2 inch. The next one we're gonna do by 73 by 145.
And it was natural. There it is.
Okay, so click on it.
On right here?
Yep. Double click.
Oh,
Make any number you want. Put 500.
right here?
Yep. Just make sure that it came out correct, like as a sheet, and you know we didn't mess up. So then you're gonna hit calculate. Okay, so we know we did it right. Came out as a sheet, everything went fine. Now we can move on to the next one.